As you guys know, we test out a lot of products, either to use at home or in our RV, and we have really been dying to get a hold of one of these air fryers. This is the Vortex air fryer, and it is something that is small enough that we can take an RV, which we really like, but I think the biggest thing is we need to test it out. So we're going to have Doug unbox it, and then we're going to make some bacon, because who doesn't want to know what bacon's like in an air fryer? Some French fries. We're going to cover the gamut, so make sure you watch till the end so you get a full assessment of what this air fryer is like.
Got a product overview, what's included. It includes a cooking tray and a getting starting guide, which I'll bet this is. Is this a getting starting guide? I can't see it. Yep, getting starting guide, gotta have that.
Take it out, take it out. Remember to remove all these little tabs that keep things closed and in place. Little drawer here. Gotta get rid of all that junk.
This is the grill it comes with. And this is where Nikki's magic happens.
Yep.
Inside. It closes nice and solid, I have to say. It does look a little plasticky. It is very reasonably priced, but it has a very solid feel to it.
And this screen will light up, so when we get it going, we'll show you that screen too.
Sounds good.
Let's get started. The actual outside of this looks really cool. It's really nice. It's not just a flat black. It's kind of got this little fine texture. It's super cool looking.
Here is the classic bacon test for our new air fryer that we are showing off. One of the reasons I chose this one was because I liked that it is square, because I watched a couple people cook bacon, and the round ones, it is much harder to put your bacon in there. So square seemed to make a lot of sense. So let's put some bacon in. It is a great size because it kind of fits, you know, bacon's basically got a standard size. We're going to air fry. Time, we're going to do 8 minutes. Temperature, 400 degrees. Let's click start.
That does look very good. Flip it over. I think this is actually going to be perfect. So we're going to make some French fries.
Yes, some steak fries. Nice thick steak fries.
Cut them and cover them in oil. So they're thick. We're going to see how they do.
Okay, so here is our potato, which we've sliced up nice and evenly to make steak fries. We want them to cook evenly. You rinse them off to get all the starch off, dry it well, and then all this has is 1 tablespoon of oil on it, and that's it. We're going to put it in the air fryer. So we're going to cook it for 5 minutes at 350, and then we're going to shake them up. We're going to take them, we're going to flip them in here, back into the bowl. Drizzle that oil on. Again, only another teaspoon. A little garlic powder for seasoning. Then we're going to toss it. We're going to add it back in. All seasoned, oiled, spread it out so we have one nice even layer. 10 minutes, only 2 teaspoons of oil, and pretty spectacularly perfect looking steak fries.
I am very excited to try those. Those look amazing.
They do, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like professional looking, right? Your husband's cooking now.
Awesome, awesome. So you've seen our tests of our bacon and our fries. We were thoroughly impressed with it. We have also been enjoying doing a lot of other things in it, and it was actually a surprise to us because we had not used an air fryer before. We didn't have any experience with it, and I think for our first shot getting this one, I think for the for the value of this, I think it is a perfect air fryer.